guys, this is Zain Tahir and welcome to my YouTube channel Computers Literacy. Today you are going to understand the basic concept of normalization in database. Moreover, I will discuss about the types of normalization in relational database structure. However, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it to get notification of my every video, latest video. Now before any further discussion, let's jump into our topic. Database normalization. We will start with understanding what are problems will arise if a table is not normalized and how normalization solves these problems. So, what is normalization? Normalization is a technique of organizing the data into relational database table to minimize data redundancy, or it is a systematic process of decomposing tables to eliminate data redundancy and also remove the undesirable problems like insertion, deletion, and updation anomalies. Now you would ask, what is redundancy and why should we reduce it? Well, redundancy is nothing but repetition of similar data at multiple places. We want to reduce it not just because it needs some extra space, but it may lead some other issues like insertion, deletion and updation anomalies. There are certain rules and procedures which every table in database must follow, and these rules is known as normal form. So here we will discuss about the types of normalization. First normal form, second normal form, third normal form, bisecode normal form, and fourth normal form. First normal form. A table must be in first normal form if and only if it follows these rules. Rule 1. Each cell contains only a single value, meaning that every column in table must contain single or unique value. Rule 2. Unique name for attributes means that all columns of a table having a unique name. Rule 3. Each record is unique, which is identified by a primary key. Now let's start with very basic example and understand first normal form. So here we have simple student table which stores student information. We have columns, roll number which is primary key of the student table, name of the student and subject he opted. We can see it clearly that student table follow some of the rules as it contain unique name for the columns, but subject column avoid the first normal form. How to solve this problem? It's very simple. All we have to do is break the values into single value. Here is our updated table and it now satisfies the first normal form. In second normal form, a table must follow the following rules. Rule 1. A table must be in first normal form, meaning that we first change the table in first normal form. Rule 2. There should be no partial dependency exist in a table. Now you would ask, what is partial dependency? Well, partial dependency occurs when non-key attributes is not fully dependent on primary attribute and it's only dependent on some part of the primary key. Second normal form eliminates partial dependency in a table. Suppose a school wants to store the data of teachers and the subjects they teach. They create a table that looks like this. Since a teacher can teach more than one subjects, the table can have multiple rows for a same teacher. Now, teacher ID and subject will be a candidate key for this table, whereas teacher age is a non-key attribute. The table is in first normal form because each attribute has atomic values. However, it is not in second normal form because non-prime attributes teacher age is dependent on teacher ID alone, which is proper subset of candidate key. This violates the rule of for second normal form as the rule says no non-prime attribute is dependent on the proper subset of any candidate key of a table. Now you would ask how to solve that problem. To make the table complies with second normal form, we can break it into two tables like this. And we have formed two tables. One is teacher detail table, another is teacher subject table. Now these tables satisfy the second normal form. For third normal form, a table must have the following rules. Rule 1. A table must be in second normal form. Rule 2. There should be no transitive dependency exist in a table. Now you would ask, what is a transitive dependency? Well, when non-key attributes depends on other non-key attributes rather than depending upon the primary key. And third normal form eliminates transitive dependency. Now let's look at very simple example. Here we have a course table which storing course information. So here the unit code is considered as primary attribute and rest of the attributes are non-prime attributes. But the course name, which is the name of the course, depends on course code rather depending upon the unit code that creates transitive dependency in this table. To make the table satisfies with third normal form, we have to break it into two tables like this. Now these tables here satisfies the third normal. In the next video, we will discuss about biscore normal form and fourth normal form. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave your comment below. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.